Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dawson and I'm going to be showing you how I created this Lavender Fields JOAH inspired eyeshadow makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. I just really wanted to play with this JOAH Escapade palette in Lavender Fields. I used all 6 shades in it. And I created this eyeshadow look, and then I just let it flow afterwards. Most of these products are JOAH. I just have been really into buying the new products from JOAH here lately. I mean, it's a drugstore brand, very affordable, very cute packaging, and they seem like they're only getting better through the time that I think I discovered them like 2 years ago in the drugstore, and I bought the setting spray, which is different than the one that I have today. It was their older one. I do believe that's how I got introduced. But anyway, I'm going to start off using my Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. This, you've seen me use this plenty of freaking times. I wish JOAH, and I have messaged JOAH, I really wish they had an eyeshadow base. That's what I want from them next, and maybe it'll happen. Alright, the start of the show, the JOAH Escapade palette in Lavender Fields. The first color I'm using is the Calm color, which is a little bit pinkish, more than I was expecting when I actually put it on the eye, but needless to say, it looks good. I'm really happy. It just has a pink tint to this ivory color, which really surprised me, which makes sense. Lavender Fields. The second color I'm using is Dreamland. So I guess you do kind of dream of lavender fields, maybe. I don't really personally like the smell of the lavender too much. Like, I don't like it in my bath soaps. I just don't like the lavender scent. I'm weird. I don't know. But the color is beautiful. The lavender color is beautiful, and this eyeshadow palette is working really good, especially this color. And then I'm just going to blend it out a little bit so it's not such a harsh line, and we'll have a base to work off of. Yeah. And then I'm going to be using this blooming color. So it's kind of like the Calm color, but in shimmer form. Like, you think it looks really just straight up ivory sparkle, and then it shows up like a tint of pink. Barely any, but I see where they're going with this, and it worked pretty good. I just had to spray it a little bit to intensify it more, but I do that with a lot of my shadows anyway, so I wasn't butthurt about it. And then I'm going to use this Frolic color. I think that's what it is. And I am putting that on the outside corner. And these other 2 next shades are going to be the hardest to pronounce. They're after, like, places, I think, but I'll try my best. But Frolic is a pretty nice color. I try to just pack it on. That wouldn't work. It appears to be a shimmer maybe or something. I'm not sure. But I had to spray it down for it to be the way I wanted it to be. I would say out of all these shades, my least favorite is this Frolic shade. But, you know, everything's not going to be a hit. I wish it was just a matte. Another matte. 3 mattes, 3 shimmers. I guess it's not a shimmer. I don't really know. But then I'm using this color, which is, I believe it's pronounced Valinsco or Valinol. I don't know. The one that starts with VAL, just like my name. But it's a very, that's like the star color of the show. I wanted that one to kind of be the star of the show. It didn't end up that way as much as I wanted it to be. It wasn't as intense as I was hoping it to be, but it was beautiful. It's which that's what K-Beauty's all about. It's more of the natural look. It's not about the whole drag queen makeup, if you will. Nothing wrong with it. I really love drag queen makeup. I think they're so freaking, talented. Anyway, love drag queens, but you know what I mean. It's just not as intense. It's more of a K-Beauty inspired makeup or eyeshadow. So it makes sense. It goes with the brand. It's just, I was hoping for more like American style. Okay, so this is the JOAH Make Her Jealous Gel Eyeliner. What is the color of this? It's just black. And I think they have like 2 different kind of pencils, but this is the mechanical one. Okay, so this is the Joalina Liquid Eyeliner, waterproof. I prefer waterproof eye makeup. I'm not, that's, like, it doesn't have to be waterproof for me to wear it, but I'm more happier just knowing it's waterproof and it's not going anywhere. But Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, Oldie Goodie. Not JOAH, but really good. And I don't know where my JOAH mascara went. I think my baby took it and ruined it and threw it away. I don't know. I don't know what happened to it. Anyway, LA Colors Diva Lashes. These are the closest to wispies as like $1 lash you can get. You know what I mean? And then I'm going to put it on with the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. And these work together really well. Love them. The next product is the JOAH Truly Yours Dark Circle Concealer. I really love this stuff. It works really well. I might be almost empty by now. I wish the packaging didn't cover the whole container at the bottom so I could see how much I have left, so I could, debate if I'm going to need to buy it this week or next week, whatever. I've been using it every day, and I'm actually using a little bit of a different technique. I'm just using a different fluffier brush. It blends out so freaking easy, it's not even funny. Then I'm going to use the JOAH Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizers. This one is in Cocoa, which is the darkest shade you can get as of right now. And I'm going to be using the brush later to blend it out just a little bit and then use my hand. But the hand works the best out of everything, to be honest. But when you use your hand, it pretty much just like, not dissolve, but like blends really good, really fast. But when you use a brush, it's kind of like a slower blending in, if that makes any sense. I don't know. It just makes you look 10. So you can literally, you can literally do what I did and get the darkest shade if you wanted to, which they don't really recommend. They just say 1 to 2 shades darker. But I guess that's more of a K side, more natural side. And I want to be a little dramatic, so I went all out and got the darkest. Okay, now I'm using the same Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizer from JOAH, but this time I'm using my skin color, which is vanilla. As you can tell, it matches perfectly, and this is I know what it is. It's like a balmy texture to it. Just think of a moisturizing, stick, but it's more like balm, like a lip balm almost texture, but it's not exactly that, but it's kind of similar. More that than like foundation. Like a foundation stick. Does that make sense? I hope so. I don't know. It's just a luminizer stick. I don't know. It's kind of like a BB cream, only makeup-ish. Like, I thought this would look really cute with the cocoa color for like summertime. And, you know, you can just bronze up around your collarbones or your legs or whatever. You know, try to look a little extra cute. Okay, so this is the JOAH Selfie Ready Setting Powder in the color Translucent. Okay, I'm like more than halfway done. I'm like I got like a quarter left. I'm gonna have to buy it next week. Oh, and on Instagram, I was messaging them and I let them see my other video that I just made. And I was asking them if they got even newer products. I would love to show y'all guys, be like one of the first ones to be sent this stuff. And I told them that I want it like fast. So, I mean, if they wanted to send it to me, I would be more than happy to, show you guys. And they said that they was going to give me a couple little gifts in the mail. And I thought that was so freaking sweet. I was so surprised. So, I'm looking forward to that coming in the mail. I already bought their new stuff, though. So, if it's that, I might keep it for backup. Whatever. And now I'm going to use okay, that's another one I don't know how to pronounce. And I did look it up, but I already forgot how it was pronounced. Gusanog? Gusanog. I don't know. But it's that shimmer gray taupey looking color out of the palette. And this one did pretty good, but I only used it for the bottom lash line. That way I could use all 6 shades in my mind. But it seemed pretty good. Now I'm going to use the Brow Down To Me wooden brow pencil. And this one is in the color... What color are you? I don't see it. Oh, light brown. So this is when I was like close to being a blonde when I had this, but it still works. Now I'm going to use the JOAH Crystal Glow Jelly Balm Highlighter. It's cute. It's not a glitter. It's in between a shimmer and a glitter. Then I'm going to use the JOAH Crystal Glow Refreshing Luminizer Skin Mist. I love this. Finest mist ever that I know of. Or ever tried. I'm pretty sure. Yes. Okay, this is the Milani Understatement Lip Liner in the color Cinnamon. I can't remember. Does JOAH have lip liners? I want to say they do, and not many colors. I need to check up online next time I go on there, but I probably won't remember because I'm into the eyes way more than the lips. But this Milani lip liner is a beautiful color. So JOAH, if you're watching, please make a nude like this color. It doesn't have to necessarily be as pinkish undertone, like more cinnamony. It could be more of a nude, like more towards the brown side, and that would be even better. But yeah. And then I'm going to use I don't think they sell these anymore. The BAM, the BAM Balm. There we go. Alright, that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this Lavender Fields eyeshadow look makeup tutorial using mostly JOAH products. Everything's from the drugstore. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye!